Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV. This is the station where you watch and learn. And today I'll be taking you through Mathematics Form 3. Our topic today is Commercial Arithmetics and our subtopic is Income Tax. Our subtopic is Income Tax. I'm your tutor, Madam Sandra Awino, and this is lesson 34. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to, number 1, determine the tax relief. And number 2, calculate tax payable. In introduction, income tax is the tax on personal income. Income tax is the tax on personal income. Gross income is the total amount of money due to individual at the end of the year. It's the total amount of money. So gross income is equals to salary plus allowances. If you want to get the gross income before the tax, is equals to what? Salary plus allowances. Good. So taxable income is gross income minus benefit. Gross income minus special benefit. So employees usually get reliefs. So in Kenya we get a personal tax relief of 1,056 per month. For example, Mr. Langat earns a total of shillings 12,300 per annum. Calculate how much tax he should pay. Per annum. So to calculate the tax, we usually use the tax table. For example, for people earning between 1,000 and 5,800, they pay 2%. That is their rate of tax. For people earning 5,809 to 11,000, they pay 3% of tax. So for Mr. Langat's salary, Langat's income lies between £1 and 12,300 pounds. So his income bracket is 11,281 to 16,752. You can see it's the third band. And the rate is 4. So we will calculate the tax as follow. So for the first band, you can look at the first band. Kindly look at the first band is between 1 to 5,808. So you do this. For the first band, you take 5,808 times 2. What do we get? 11,616. So Mr. Langat pays that, and he also pays the second band because his salary is on the third band. So the second band is equals to what? You subtract 11,280 minus 5,809. What do you get? Can you subtract for me? I know you've gotten 5472. If you've not gotten that, please do it again. So you take 5472 times 3 because the rate is 3 on the second band. What do you get? You get 16,416. So the remaining amount of money, we said that Mr. Langat earns 12,300. Isn't it? 12,300. But for first and the second band, the total is 11,280. So you take 12,300, that is Mr. Langat's salary, minus 11,280, you get 1,020. So for the remaining 1,020, because it's on the third band, you multiply by 4. What do we get? 4,080. So the total the total tax you add all of them. So 11,616. You can see the numbers on the purple color. With the purple color, you add all of them. When you add them, you get 32,112. So all these ones you subtract the personal relief. If you subtract the personal relief, is 32,112 minus 12,672. You get 19,440. You get 19,440. So, in summary, if you are told to calculate the tax, you first do what? You look at the table, you see where the tax bracket lies, and then you multiply each bracket by the rate, and then you subtract personal relief. We've come to the end of our lesson. I hope you've learned a lot. So use the following table to calculate the tax, to calculate how much tax Mr. Pemba should pay if Mr. Pemba earns £8,000 per annum. In reference, you can study KLB Secondary Mathematics Student Book 3. You can study KLB Secondary Mathematics Student Book 3. That is the 5th edition. For this and more, please contact us. Our SMS number is 0723 144259. On YouTube, contact us on Elimu TV, on Facebook, Elimu TV, and on Twitter at Elimu.